Okay, so we're really excited. Today's the day that we're going to have our new Palladio door installed. It's been a long time coming. We've been living at the house now and renovating the house for just under 2 years. And in that time we've made loads of energy efficient savings to the house. We've replaced all of the windows, we've replaced all of the back door, and now it's time to replace the front door. You can really feel the difference in heat between moving from the lounge to into the porchway, so we're hoping that the energy efficient door from Palladio will really help with that and save on our energy bills, which is perfect for the time that we're living in. So we're really happy to introduce our new Palladio door. So we're really happy with the installation. Everything's been left clean and tidy, and already from inside you can feel how much of a less of a breeze there is going through the door itself. We made a conscious effort to make the colour of the door the same colour as the frame, and we're really happy about how that's turned out. So yeah, really happy with the results.
We're really pleased with how modern it looks as well. We're really pleased with how modern it is, but it's still within keeping of the style of the house. And we have used a lot of dark colours inside the house, so it makes sense now that the outside matches what it looks like on the inside. Also, they took the old door away, which is so good considering when you're doing a home renovation, we do not need any more rubbish or any more stuff to go in a skip. So it's really good to have all of it done and not have anything else to think about.